Hello and welcome back to Obscure Jewels, where I am your host, as well as your narrator, Crayola Coaster. And today we'll be reading from Furry Friends Forever, Hide and Seek with Tango by Sesame Street Workshop. So as always, if you have a copy, please grab your copy and let's read together. Elmo and Tango are going on a walk. When they get there, they decide to play hide and seek. Elmo counts to 10. Do you see where Tango is hiding? You were right. Elmo found Tango. Elmo and Tango had so much fun playing in the park with you. The end. And that was Furry Friends Forever, Hide and Seek with Tango by Sesame Street Workshop. Thank you all for tuning in, and until next time, always and forever, keep reading. Thank you. Bye.